Hello everybody, Smilsy back again. I'm back with a little retail football break. I got one box of 2014 Panini Crown Royale. Now, each retail box comes with 4 packs of 5 cards each, and we're looking at 2 hits, usually an autograph and a mem card per box. Picked this up at Blowout Cards for $27.95, a little on sale. These have really gone up in prices. It's 2014 because of Jimmy Garoppolo. But so I'll give another shot at 2014. I love Crown. These are little die cuts. Back here. Alright, that feels like a thick pack. Should we say that's for towards the end? Pack 1. Oh, come on. Brandon Marshall. Monte Ball Blue Parallel. That's the $1.99. And Brandon Cooks Rookie. With the pylon cards, I think. Oh, nice Knights Quartz. We got Lynch, Wilson, and Harvin. And my boy Andy Dalton. Ridley. We got a Vikings King's Court. Nobody left there. I think Teddy's gone, Peterson, and Corbett. Roby, rookie. Knights of the Squire, Chris Johnson, and Shit Stanky. Yeah, there you go, AJ Green. Nice die cut. Alright, this is the 6 pack. Vincent Jackson. Ooh, Gale Sailor's autograph. Wow! That came out of nowhere. I thought this was just going to be a plain jersey. Look at that numbering. 3 out of 5. Gale Sailor's auto. Sweet. Oh, what a surprise. Love Crown. Thank you, Crown. That is going into my PC, I think. Wow, totally hot hit. Grice rookie. Not expect that. These are cool looking. Calvin Johnson, Master Craftsman. Nice Aaron Rodgers. Alright, last pack. We got the second hit. We got McFadden. Number to 199. Ooh, nice silhouette Clowney. That's a nice hit. Little die cut. I love how the die cut goes over the patch. Kind of cool looking. Clowney rookie number 199. 68 of 199. Jeff Coat. And Smith. And Cordell. Alright, another great box of Crown. I keep opening up the stuff. Nice surprise hit there, Gale Sailors, and Clowney rookie jumbled jersey. That's it for this box of 2014 Crown Royale, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.